mold. Grab your stick, let's pick a rainbow. Quick, 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 we're going on a hunt. What will we find? The tastiest colors of every kind. I reached up high and I caught a red. A strawberry cherry hat's on my head. Splash! I reached down low for an orange glow, like a basketball bouncing to and fro. Boy! Stir it up, freeze it down, coolest rainbow in this town. It's a prism on a stick, give that frozen dream a lick. Shh. Listen, do you hear the ice? Sound effect! Crinkle, crackle! I grabbed a yellow from a bumblebee. Don't worry, he shared it just for me. I found a green in a lime leaf shade, the coldest jungle ever made. I dove in the ocean for a blue so deep, while all the sleepy starfish were fast asleep. I finished with a purple from a grapevine swing. Now listen to the frozen rainbow sing. Slow down the tempo, very chilly vibes. Wait for the frost,